third approach. Oh, deers. Feeling very confident again. Just wants a sniff. Just a good sniff. Just, let's do a little nose to nose. Odin's like, maybe not. No, fuck this. That's how I feel too, Odin. I understand. Ashna's giving good backup though. Don't look at me. I want you to do nose to nose. This is, I post this on Instagram and get money probably. Alright. Odin has no interest in my Instagram. Makes sense. How does the friggin', well, where's the control for the friggin' darkness and lightness? Like, that's the wrong side there. How does this work? Where's the darkness, lightness control? This makes no sense. This camera sucks. I thought it's on this side, but I keep pressing it, it doesn't do anything. Oh, there. Oh, I gotta press and then slide. You do a tap and then you slide. Wow. And then it undoes itself for some reason. Fantastic work. Motorola. Hello, Moto. And it just goes back again to where it was. And just incredible work on the controls here, Motorola. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Do a zoom and then it unzooms. Fantastic. Oh, yeah. So you zoom in and then it undoes your brightness. Incredible. I'm totally ruining this moment with my commentary. I'm just gonna complain about my camera. This incredible moment in nature. Okay, I really gotta stop playing with zoom. Are you guys friends or what? Kind of? Not sure. It's weird, right? Prey and predator, it's a difficult matchup. You start petting each other, getting comfortable, everything seems fine, and then all of a sudden, you realize you're hungry. And the whole situation has changed irreversibly. Odin has returned to stalking mode. I don't know what, like, everybody knows where you are, where your position has been. You've been placed, Odin. You're not, you are not hidden. You are, Ashna's kind of hidden. But you stick out. Oh no, he's doing a belly roll. Alright, he's feeling comfortable. Alright. Go for it, Odin. What's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that can happen? Dear Stelanka, are you gonna attack me? I still feel like you might attack me. Not sure I feel safe. Here we go. Gonna take a leap of faith. Odin does look like he's gonna attack. No, Odin's like, back up. You smell like food, but this could be a trick. You can do it, Odin. I believe in you. standoff continues. Oh my god, Motorola. Your design is not super great. I'm not impressed. Where do I tap? I gotta keep this in. I'm just gonna post this unedited. I think that's the only thing to do here. Where do I wish there could be like also a screen capture. Well, there could be. Alright guys. You guys ready for dinner? I'm gonna feed you now. Since you don't appear ready to take down your dinner on your own. Oh yeah, no, go for it, Odin. If you want to give it another try, go for it. I don't know what's happening with these controls. Oh, there it is. No, back to the zoom. What, am I doing it? No, I must, was it my palm? It was my palm touching the bottom of the screen. Of course, of course. Of course it was. Of course it was my palm touching the bottom of the screen. Of course. Alright, well that concludes this evening's social, that concludes the social portion of this evening. Or does it? No, they're continuing to follow the deer. Go for it, Owen. Yep. The deer's like, well, they're now following me. This is weird.